Welcome to the Hillgrove Antimony and Gold Mine in New South Wales. We are Larvotto Resources and we're on track to commence antimony and gold production in early 2026.
At Hillgrove, there is significant exploration upside, and this will be the focus on moving forward as we make the Hillgrove mine a success. Larvotto is forging ahead with drilling to convert existing resources into reserves to be included in the mine plan, while also targeting extensions and new discoveries. Expanding our significant current resources will see the Hillgrove mine producing for many years ahead.
Antimony is listed as a critical mineral by the US, EU and Australian governments for its strategic importance in renewable energy, defence and other specialised industrial applications. And with a 7-year offtake agreement signed with Wogan Resources, Hillgrove is set to supply over 7% of global antimony demand.
Our mining operation will utilise the extensive development already in place at Hillgrove, with multiple underground mining fronts and open pits planned to come online and provide immediate access to high-grade antimony and gold mineralisation. This ensures the mine will provide consistent mill feed and steady production throughout the commissioning phase as we ramp up to full-scale operations.
We released a compelling definitive feasibility study in May 2025, and we have finalised our funding requirements to restart this historically productive mine. With the majority of the operational infrastructure already in place, our optimisation and expansion of the processing facility will take a short time and focuses on upgrades to the grinding and flotation circuits.
Our strategy for production at Hillgrove focuses on maintaining high recoveries of antimony and gold, guaranteed by ensuring flexibility and reliability in all aspects of the processing flow sheet. As we build our team to bring Hillgrove into production, we know our people are our most important resource, and our priority is their well-being and comfort whilst on site. The recent acquisition of Echidna Gully provides a ready-made solution to meet the needs of contract and short-term workers without disrupting the Hillgrove township. We're committed to employing locally as a priority and aim to create long-term sustainable employment for the nearby community of Armidale and the surrounding area. With over 30,000 people in Armidale and all the services and skills we require locally, we hope to be a cornerstone of the local economy for decades to come.
We look forward to keeping you updated as we commence mining high-grade gold and antimony at Hillgrove, Australia's largest antimony deposit.